cloud is here, with simple solutions that save real time and money. Want to see what it can actually do for your business? Zazmic, a Google Cloud Premier partner, is offering free, personalized workshops that deliver the most advanced GCP tools directly to your team. Explore generative AI, cloud architecture, migration, security. Learn from Zazmic's certified GCP experts. We'll walk you through proven best practices. We're diving straight into live demos of the most powerful cloud tools. Not showing you everything, just what actually matters to your business right now. We'll show you real-world examples you can apply to your current setup and see immediate results. No surprises, just practical integration that works. We're not talking theory. Get all your questions answered by experts and see a clear adoption plan that actually saves your company real cash. Our workshops are designed for anyone looking to grow and save on the cloud, automate fast, enhance development workflows, maximize ROI, and transform overall business. Stop wasting time on generic workshops. Get a practical, tailored experience that's designed for your team's success. Ready to see the cloud work for you? Schedule your free personalized workshop today.